Wow. Give me a fucking W.
This is a test of no weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention. Activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there's a threat of severe weather.
Of the no weather radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations
Will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
in Illinois, Jersey, California, Greenland, Wisconsin, Madison. In Missouri, St. Charles. County. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. West wind was tone activated. The alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming.